So let's talk about if you wanted to move sections around or add a new section. Within each section, you can see when that pops up right there, we have the option to duplicate it, which you can see does exactly what you think. We could delete a section, again, does exactly what you think, or we can move it up and down. So if we hover over the section, click on it, if it doesn't pop up right away, we can move this one down. You'll see it moves it down here, or we can move it back up to where it was right there. Additionally, if you wanted to copy it and put it somewhere else, you can click more, you can say copy section, and then we can go down here. So say maybe like way down here, we want to have that again. We could click here and say paste section. So it drops it down here. That saves you the effort of duplicating it and then hitting the down arrow like 4 or 5 times until it goes down to where you want. I'm going to delete that. I don't need another section down there. But if I wanted to add a blank one, as you might expect, I'll click on add section. There are a lot of pre-made sections that Hostinger gives us. You can see tons of different ones based on like an about page, for services, contact form. Very easy to do all of these without having to kind of build it from scratch. However, you could build it from scratch if you really wanted to with a blank section, or another option is to generate a section using AI. Let's just ask it to make an about us section. And I wrote a little bit about, what the coffee store or the coffee shop is really meant to be. So let's just see what it comes up with now. All right, that's a good start. I don't really know what this blue box is for, a little button here. I'm going to delete that. Seems like maybe a little quirk here. Let's make this image a little bit wider. I'm not really sure what that image is right there, but whatever. I'm going to keep it there for now. So scrolling up, now we have a lot going for this website. A lot of it looks really good. We know how to edit everything. We can go in here and add our own things. So maybe instead of bagels, we have muffins, and maybe they are like $4.50. And we can go through and like one by one change everything about this. That is something that you can do after you finish watching this video. And it's very straightforward. I'm not going to waste your time retyping an entire fake menu here.